let's start with the topic mole concept and stoichiometry. There are three important topics in mole concept and stoichiometry. Number one is the concentration terms. Number two is the limiting reagent. Number three is stoichiometry. Now, first start with the topic stoichiometry. Now, we use the formula A1 M1 V1 is equal to A2 M2 V2. Now, A1 is the number of electrons gained by an oxidizing agent and A2 is the number of electrons lost by a reducing agent. Now, in a redox reactions, there is an oxidizing agent and a reducing agent. Oxidizing agent always gain electron and a reducing agent always loses electron. Now, M1 and M2 are the number of molarities, their respective molarities, and V1 and V2 are their respective volumes. Now, for example, if we titrate KMnO4 versus Mohr salt. Now, in this case, the number of electron gained by KMnO4 is 5 because the KMnO4 gets converted into Mn2 plus in case of acidic medium, in an acidic medium. Okay, now number of electron lost by Mohr salt is 1 as Fe2 plus get converted into Fe3 plus. Now in the second case, KMnO4 versus oxalic acid. Number of electron, since KMnO4 we are using, so KMnO4 will gain 5 electron, and oxalic acid gets converted into carbon dioxide, so number of electrons lost is 2. Okay. Now as we are equating the number of moles on both sides, we can use this in doing some questions based on stoichiometry, which is like, for example, 2 moles of FeSO4 are oxidized by X moles of KMnO4 in acidic medium into ferric sulfate. Now 3 moles of ferric oxalate are oxidized by Y moles of dichromate in a acidic medium. Now then the value of X by Y is, now X is the, as we know, X is the number of moles of KMnO4 in acidic medium and Y is the number of moles of dichromate in acidic medium. Now as we have options 2 by 15, 3 by 5, 6 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now we apply stoichiometry KMnO4 versus ferrous sulfate. Now number of electrons gained by KMnO4 is 5. Now we have X moles of KMnO4, so 5 into X is equal to number of electrons. Now number of moles of ferrous sulfate is 2, so we equate 5X is equal to 2, and now X comes out to be 2 by 5. Similarly, in this question we have dichromate in acidic medium. Now dichromate in acidic medium gets converted into Cr3 plus. So the number of electrons gained by dichromate is 6. So 6 into Y. Y is the number of moles of dichromate in acidic medium given in the question. Now 6Y is equal to 3 into 6. Why 3 into 6? Because 3 moles of ferric oxalates get converted into 3 moles of ferric oxalate we are using. Now Y comes out to be 3. Now you can find out easily the ratio of X by Y, that is X by Y is equal to 2 by 5 into 3, which is equal to 2 by 15.